Okay, so we reviewed for our quiz today, our assessment. We discussed what it's going to look like. Okay, so if you look up on the board, you're doing your partner collaboration assessment today. Okay. I want you to follow the steps and remind yourself what we're doing. So step one, are you communicating with your partner appropriately? So let's look at this. These are some of the ways we can communicate appropriately to your partner. Okay, so I want to hear these questions or comments or responses throughout the assessment. Yes, you can talk during the assessment. Okay, you're helping each other out. We're not, I don't think we're calculating anything right now. We're just listening up here. You're not doing any math right now. So first one, what is our next step? Because there's steps that you're going to be solving on here. The next step is, okay, number 3, is the ratio completely simplified? Hold on one sec. Is the ratio completely simplified? How do we simplify?
By dividing.
By dividing, okay, by a number that they both go into. Good job. And then lastly, did we set up the ratio or proportion correctly? Sometimes we mix match, or sometimes we just put a different number in there. We want to make sure we don't make that mistake. Okay, we try to get rid of all those mistakes yesterday while we reviewed. Okay, so any questions on what I want to hear from you guys while you're talking with your partner? Any questions? Do we understand?
Yeah,
What question?
what happens if you're using the break and your partner's like copying time?
So if your partner's not doing any work, you're not contributing with your partner, remind your partner to look up here, okay? And I'll remind you guys as well, Ms. Rivera will remind you as well. We want to hear these statements, questions, and comments, okay? We don't want to go, we don't want to hear I don't know. Okay, what happens if you don't know? So what happens if the partners are stumped? What does stumped mean? What is stumped? Stuck on a problem. Okay, so if you're stuck on a problem, what can you use? Everybody look right here. What does that say? Use your handy dandy. That means your useful notebook. Okay, you also have that note sheet in front of you that you can use it. You guys did all that work on yesterday. So there should be no reasons why we get stumped, right? And you guys can work together. You guys can use these questions to help each other out. Okay? Sound like a plan? You guys are going to work together? Any questions on what you need to do in your partner assessment? Okay, you're going to get your assessment right now. You are going to put your name on it and the date and the period, and I'm going to go over the directions on each problem. Question.
Are you going to choose your partner?
I am going to choose your partner. So just follow the first direction. That's putting your name, date, and period on top. Okay, do that as quick as you can. When you are done, put on your desk, please. It's a chair already.
What's the date? Sunday?
Or what is it? You're good. No, you're fine. You're good. Let's do this again. Okay, put your name, date, and period on that. I will show you guys this whiteboard again, but I want to go over this quickly. Okay, the first thing that's written on that sheet, can I have a volunteer read? I'll read the first part, and then I'll also read A. The first part, it's kind of written a little bit small. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can really understand it. With the asterisk, show all your work on the left side of the page and steps to discuss with your partner on the right side of designated boxes. So, work is going to be shown on the left side. So all your work is going to be right here, all the math. And then on the right side, write the steps inside the box. This is what you're discussing with your partner. Okay? Are you listening? We're not starting yet. No, we're not starting. Make sure that pencil's down. You're not with a partner. Step 1, step 2, final answer. Okay? We practiced this yesterday. You know what you need to say with your partner. You know what you need to put in that box to get full credit on these problems, okay? And same as number 2. Can I have someone read letter A for us?
Oh, me.
Raise your hand. Okay, 1.
Write each ratio in
Simplest
form based on the situation.
Okay.
Don't forget to simplify 2.2.
Awesome. Here's your situation. There is a container of colored markers on a table. There are 4 orange, 8 purple, and 10 blue. Here are your questions. Orange to purple, set up your ratio correctly, write down your steps. I'm even giving you a step right now, I'm saying it out loud.
How to do?
Number 2, not yet. Number 2, blue to total. You practiced one of these last time. How did we find the total when they didn't even give it to us? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. If you know it, awesome. You can help out your partner, you can help out yourself. And so you'll be doing that after I'm done talking, okay? Any questions on what you need to do for A?
Wait, what happened?
Raise your question.